Quantum computing is a new way of processing information that could fundamentally change how we handle complex data and financial modeling. Unlike normal computers that use bits as ones or zeros, quantum computers use qubits, which can represent both states at the same time. This exponential scaling allows quantum machines to solve specific, massive problems that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years to finish. Industries are watching this closely because it could revolutionize how we optimize investment portfolios and secure sensitive banking data. While your laptop is perfect for browsing the web, quantum computers are being built for hyperspecific tasks that require massive parallel power. This chart shows a conceptual leap in speed for complex calculations, though quantum technology is still in the early, experimental stages. Think of it as a specialized tool for the future, rather than an upgrade to the hardware you use at home today. Keep an eye on this space as technology evolves. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more clear explanations of complex topics.